yung nag-release ng dokumento. Hindi naman siya yung nagano ng issue, nagpalaki ng issue, nagkaroon ng hearing. So nagsabi siya ng totoo. Ngayon, suddenly siya na yung binabash. Bakit? You asked me here to testify on this document which leaked out of PIDEA, tapos they put him on trial. So, yun ang mali. How do you expect any person to want to go to the Senate as a resource person kung suddenly you will find yourself on trial? Issue kasi yan nakasalalay ang presidente dyan. Mr. Morales wasn't testifying on that. He testified only as to what he personally knows. He personally knows about issuing that, making that request for surveillance. So, di ba? Bakit sa tingin ninyo magiging issue ito? He was only testifying on that. Hindi siya yung testigo na may white powdery substance. Hindi siya yung testigo nag-identify ng Rizal Towers. Hindi siya yung nagsabi nun. May informant doon. He only took the testimony of the informant, and it's still this in the eyes of everybody watching. If there's nothing to hide, why is PIDEA so interested in discrediting this man and not producing any documents themselves? Hindi ba ninyo nakikita yon? Bakit kailangan ganunin si Mr. Morales? It means that he scares them somehow, even if he never testified directly about the president. He never did. Ito nga yung problema ng Malacanang. Grabe kayong mag-overreact. He was only testifying, siya lang ay investigador. So, hindi nga niya sinasabi na totoo yung sinabi ng informant. Ang sinasabi niya kailangan nitong investigahan. So, go back to the premise. You're reacting the same way that Malacanang is reacting. Malacanang is overreacting, thinking, oh my gosh, lalabas ito. Ito yung tanong ko. Saan nakuha ni Senator Jinggoy yung PDS? Hindi ba dapat confidential document yan? Hoy, gawin din nating issue. Bakit? Basta-basta ba lang tayo pwedeng maglabas ng personal data sheet? Hindi ba violation ng Data Privacy Act yan? Andyan yung mga addresses and all that. Yes, I get it that this is a legal proceeding. Pero, muna natin, binigyan ba kayo ng subpoena? PIDEA? Hindi ba violation yan ng Data Privacy Act? PIDEA, kayo ba ay sinabtina ni Senator Jinggoy? Para precisely for this reason. Ibig ba sabihin, the Senate can just subpoena any document that they want? Teka, wala ba itong restrictions? Diba, tanong din natin, Senator Jinggoy, teka muna, saan niyo po nakuha yung PDS? Kay PIDEA ba? Humingi kayo ng At PIDEA, talaga bang nilalabas-labas lang yan sa kahit sino? Si Senator Jinggoy ba humingi nun? O si Senator Bato magkaiba yan? Kasi si Senator Bato, mag-i-issue yan ng subpoena. Tapos sabi niya may dala siyang mga dokumento, and according to Senator Bato, yung mga dokumento po na yon ay ukol lang talaga sa kung paano iimbestigahan. So ang sabi ni, medyo kumbaga, foul yun. Parang he was in fact contemptible of the Senate itself. So yung trato niya, yung mindset niya about getting to the Senate, parang pinagtatawanan niya yung mga tao, saying na, konting bola lang, kayang-kaya kong tumestigo dyan. Parang, oy, napakayabang mo, teka muna, ikaw nang pinakamagaling, ikaw pa magtuturo kung paano i-conduct ng Senado ang investigasyon nila. Okay. So yun, tapos sa pa niya, nagdala pa nga daw siya ng bag. Yun ang medyo masama yung dating nun. Kasi, parang, I know better than you guys. Kaya kong i-predict yung next move ninyo. So,